Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the percentage, how to find percentage in Excel. I have a sample result sheet in Excel. So I have total marks in this column and obtained marks in this column. So as you know, to find percentage we have to divide the obtained marks divided by total marks. So I will type is equal to obtained marks divide by total marks and press enter. So it is showing me 0.62. So what I will do, the next process is I'll select this column. Over here on the home tab in this number group, I'll come over here, I'll select percentage. So you can see it's showing me 62.00%. So there are two decimal points I want to remove, I want to decrease. So this is for decreasing the decimal points, right? So now it is showing me 62%. If I want to copy the same formula to other cells, I will just come over here to the corner and drag the formula. So you can see now it is showing me 62%, 51%, 47%, 62%, 58% and 70%. Excel automatically copied that formula from this cell to other cells. Now let's get to the Google Sheets. I want to find the percentage in Google Sheets. The process is very much similar. I'll type is equal to obtain marks divide by total marks and press enter. So you can see autofill. It's giving me option to autofill. I'll just click OK. So you can see it has calculated the percentage for me, but one thing I have to do, I'll select this column, I'll come to format, and in the number option there's option for percent. I'll select this. So it is showing me 62.00%. To decrease the decimal points, I will come over here, I'll click on this button, so it will decrease the decimal points for me. If you like today's videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.